What is going on, everybody, and welcome to the final part of the Barricade upgrade menu. For this part, we're just going to be finishing up our Barricade upgrade menu. In order to do this, we want to have our seal_init and our init.lua file open for this Barricade entity. So in here, we want to go ahead and just scroll down to the upgrade menu.paint function, and right to the bottom line here where we are drawing the upgrade price for the max health upgrade. And all I want to do here is surround this with an if-else. If, and the statement, then, else, and. Now what I want to do in here is I want to go ahead and check to see if the current health level does not equal the max health level. So we want to do ent.current health level does not equal ent.max health level. And the reason for this is because when we upgrade this entity and we get it to the max level, it'll still go ahead and display the, in this case, 5/5 followed by the upgrade price. So we want to go ahead and fix that. And we can fix this by using this else statement and just changing the text here to, instead of saying the upgrade price, just having it say that the max level has been reached, or max level reached. Now, that is all done. Let's go ahead and scroll down just a bit more here. And to this upgrade button.do click function, first thing I want to do here is I want to go ahead and update the value of the player balance. So we'll do player balance equals player : get NWInt again, and the player money. This way, every time a user clicks on this button, it'll go ahead and update the player balance to whatever the most recent value associated with that is. This way we won't get any issues with the player going into the negative values. And after we get this put in there, we want to go ahead and convert this if statement to also have an else if, and then finally an else. And what this else if will check for is to see if the ent.current health level is equal to ent.max health level. And if this is the case, and don't forget that then, if this is the case, we want to go ahead and send them a message, so player : print message, and I want this to show up right above the chat box, so HUD_print talk, followed by the message, which is just going to tell them that the max level has been reached. Otherwise, we want to go ahead and send them a message again, so player : print message, again in the HUD_print talk section. And we just want to tell them that you do not have enough money to upgrade. And once that is done, we can go ahead, save the seal_init file, and move on to our init.lua file, right to the net.receive function. And all we're going to do in here is just do some tidying up. This is definitely not required, but what I want to do is just create two variables, local player, and set this equal to ent.owner. And this will just go ahead and grab the value stored in this variable here within the share.lua. And I also want to go ahead and create a variable called local player balance. It's just going to go ahead and grab the networked int associated with this player that is titled player money. And now with those two variables made, I can go ahead and tidy up this line of code here by first of all changing ent.owner to player, and then changing this whole section of code to player balance. So once that is all done, go ahead and save both files, head into game here, and spawn in a barricade. And now what we want to do is, when we upgrade this to the max level here, it'll go ahead and tell us that the max level was reached instead of showing us the 5/5 followed by the upgrade price. So also, if we go ahead and upgrade it, you can see that since we are at the max level, it'll go ahead and tell us that the max level has been reached. And if it gets to the point where we currently do not have enough money to upgrade, we'll need one more here. It'll go ahead and tell us that we do not have enough money to upgrade the barricade. So that is going to conclude the Barricade upgrade menu. Thank you all so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.